was red light run. What are you doing? Hello? What are you doing? It's right turn only lane. Really? Nope.
Of course, you wouldn't allow your son up in the attic under any circumstances. No, Jack said, and flashed the big PR smile again.
Of course, Taylor Products. We exit dive to send you your products.
A rat trap attic full.
Whoops, never mind. It's exit only. You only just now seen the humongous sign. Exit dive.
Never let him in without a ticket. Richie cocked a thumb at Mrs. Cole, who had been the ticket taker at the Aladdin since a time well before the pictures had begun to talk.
So throw in a $20 gift card. But don't apologize for anything. Make it clear.
No trucks in the left lane. No, no, they can't be there in the left lane. Look, there's a sign that says it. Why is it way over there? It should be over here. But who cares? No trucks in the left lane. Blame Dot for that. Oh, look, there's another sign. It's in the left lane where people can read it. Come on, Virgin. You can do it. Speed up. It's only a major interstate here.
Discovered in 1940 in the Berkeley cyclotron, a full 94 years after the German found
I'm like 3 above the speed limit,
on the sky predicted by the French.
Can't, and you and I can spin off into oblivion. Probably.
Sure.
Hey.
People can and have.
Yeah, I guess you didn't want to in there.
All right, take a look in the mirror, and I guarantee you'll see hair sticking out of those holes. It's time to keep your ear and nose hair looking as nice as your clean-shaven pubes. Yeah, because I'll tell you right now, if there's shit coming out of your ears and your nose, nobody's listening to what the fuck you say. All right, your sales pitch is out the window.
I think that was red light run.
Rough last week. We're like cared about. Like it really seems like he does not have a care in life, and that he seems like
dive way up there.
That's what it is, isn't it? Yes, that's what it is. There's a fellow in the police department who isn't a. Guys were part of the baggage they took along. My parents stayed. And was it really their decision? Any of them? I don't think so. How was it decided?
Nope. You got a stop sign. So do you. I wonder what those slanty lines are for. I don't think they want people to drive on there, you know? Yeah, you too. I think that was red light run.
Tom's hopes aren't going to pan out. It's August 1961, and Tom Monahan.
Wait, why is that guy riding on the shoulder? What the hell is that? Red. Yep, red light runner.
The picture, and it became a real wild card just because of the billions of people who are already on the Facebook.
Oh, up there.
Do you have a sense of
Nope.
But Lloyd hadn't seen him since then, and now, thinking back on it, he remembered that the lawyer had had a runny nose himself, and...
No
Oh, Jesus.
I think that qualifies as an exit dive because he cut off a truck.
Tasted blood. Later that night, after the lights had come on automatically, Lloyd had eaten some of the beans he had saved from 2 days
That white
ago.
car didn't move over.
They tasted horrible, but he ate them anyway.
By Fitvine wine. Fitvine is my favorite wine. My wife, when we first got it, they sent us a box, and my wife was like, no Prosecco, so we bought the...
Do 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 do. There you go. You finally noticed that green light.
This world.
You can have that. Is that one of those little flying bridges with wood slats?
Wait, he just went in through Do Not Enter.
Andrew, can you...
Jamie, what's happening on the Antifada?
Hello. So, this week on the Antifada, Sean and Andy speak with the great Brain Belden from
Exit
Trinidad.
dive!
Medium power and organizing past.
But I didn't see any shredded, as if they'd been using it to make nests. That Watson, Halloran
Nope.
said, shaking. He put his hands on his...
No trucks in the left lane. No, no, no. You cannot be there. What the hell are you doing? You're going uphill. You're going to slow down and hold people up probably, but there's really no traffic, so I guess it's okay anyway. Oh, look, you're moving back over now. So I guess it's no harm done, I guess. I don't know.
Since I last played them.
What's that water stuff over there?
Whoa, what the frick is that?
Missouri River, and there's some, these are...
I got a truck in the left lane. It's in the left lane now. It's gonna move over now. It's in the left lane.
I'm okay, Danny. You just sit right there. I feel a little scrambled, that's all.
Nope.
I didn't go as hard as I could, Danny confessed.
What are you doing? Exit time! Come on. Red light runner. And Masshole. Oh no, never mind. Oh, Masshole left badly. Kind of. Does that qualify as a Masshole left? Where are you going? Make up your mind.
Problem you do not completely understand. When you listen, you not only show the prospect
Exit dive.
you also allow yourself the great advantage of getting without your permission. So, one, hear them out.
Red light runner.
Let the anger.
See the black and white one-way sign? You're supposed to go through the yield where the yield sign is, not there. Okay, thank you for not paying attention. Let me go. Why are you going? Oh, Jesus! My light's been green. What the frick are you... And an exit dive. Nope. Douchebag. It's only one lane there. Nope. Oh wait, I gotta make that right. Oh. Oops.